ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया।
नित्यं भागवत सेवया।
भगवती उत्तम श्लोके
भगवती उत्तम श्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी।
भक्ति भवति नैष्ठिकी।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 रीडिंग फ्रॉम श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 1 चैप्टर 11 टेक्स्ट नंबर 20। नट नर्तक गंधर्वा
नट नर्तक गंधर्वा
सूत मागध वंदिनः
सूत माधव वंदिना
गायन्ति चोत्तम श्लोका
गायन्ति चोत्तम श्लोका
चरितानि अद्भुतानि च।
चरितानि अद्भुतानि च।
नट नर्तक गंधर्वा
नट नर्तक गंधर्वा
सूतमागधवन्दिनः
सूतमाघववन्दिनां
गायन्ति चोत्तमश्लोका
गायन्ति चोत्तमश्लोका
चरितानि अद्भुतानि च
चरितानि अद्भुतानि च
नट
नट
ड्रामाटिस्ट
ड्रामटिस्ट
नर्तक
नर्तक
डांसर
डांसर
गंधर्वा
गंधर्व
सेलेस्टियल सिंगर
सेलेस्टियल सिंगर
सूत
सूत
प्रोफेशनल हिस्टोरियन
प्रोफेशनल हिस्टोरियन
मागध
मागध
प्रोफेशनल जेनियोलॉजिस्ट
प्रोफेशनल जेनियोलॉजिस्ट
वंदिना
वंदिनः
प्रोफेशनल लर्न स्पीकर
प्रोफेशनल लर्न्ड स्पीकर
गायन्ति
गायन्ति
चैंट
chant
च
च
रिस्पेक्टिवली
respectively
उत्तम श्लोक
uttama shloka
द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड
the supreme lord
चरतानि
sartani
चरितानि
charitani
एक्टिविटीज
activities
अद्भुतानि
adbhutani
all superhuman
all superhuman
च
ch
and
and
translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
Expert dramatists, artists, dancers, singers, historians, genealogists, and learned speakers all gave their respective contributions, being inspired by the superhuman pastimes of the Lord. Thus, they proceeded on and on. So please repeat. Expert dramatists,
Expert dramatist,
artists,
artist,
dancers,
dancer,
singers,
singer,
historians,
historian,
genealogists,
genealogist,
and learned speakers
and learned speakers
all gave their respective contributions,
all give their respective contributions,
being inspired by the superhuman pastimes
being inspired by the superhuman pastimes
of the Lord.
of the Lord.
Thus,
Thus
they proceeded
they proceeded
on and on.
on and on.
Purport. It appears that 5,000 years ago, the society also needed the services of the dramatists, artists, dancers, singers, historians, genealogists, public speakers, etc. Dancers, singers, and dramatic artists mostly hailed from the Shudra community, whereas the learned historians, genealogists, and public speakers hailed from the Brahmana community. All of them belonged to a particular caste and they became so trained in their respective families. Such dramatists, dancers, singers, historians, genealogists, and public speakers would dwell on the subject of the Lord's superhuman activities in different ages and millennia, and not on the ordinary events. Nor were they in chronological order. All the Puranas are historical facts described only in relation with the Supreme Lord in different ages and times, as well as on different planets also. Therefore, we do not find any chronological order. The modern historians, therefore, cannot catch up the link, and thus they unauthoritatively remark that the Puranas are all imaginary stories only. Even 100 years ago in India, all dramatic performances were centered around the superhuman activities of the Supreme Lord. The common people would be verily entertained by the performances of drama, and yatra parties played wonderfully on the superhuman activities of the Lord. And thus, even the illiterate agriculturist would be a participant in the knowledge of Vedic literature, despite a considerable lack of academic qualifications. Therefore, expert players in drama, dancers, singers, speakers, etc. are required for the spiritual enlightenment of the common man. The genealogists would give account completely of the descendants of a particular family. Even at the present moment, the guides in the pilgrimage sites of India submit a complete account of genealogical tables before a newcomer. This wonderful act sometimes attracts more customers to receive such important information. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नट नर्तक गंधर्वा सूतमागध वंदिनः गायन्ति चोत्तम श्लोक चरितानि अद्भुतानि च। Expert dramatists, artists, dancers, singers, historians, genealogists, and learned speakers all gave their respective contributions, being inspired by the superhuman pastimes of the Lord. Thus they proceeded on and on. So we see now Suta Goswami is further describing that when people, the citizens of Dwarka, went to receive Krishna, so everybody was there, We saw all the queens didn't come, of course. The sons of Krishna, ministers and citizens, and now we are seeing all these performing arts people, academic people, everybody. They're all contributing in their own way to Krishna. And what they're doing? They're all charitani. They're describing the activities of whom? Adbhutani. Adbhut. Adbhut means here, of course, Prabhupada says superhuman, but Adbhut also means wonderful. Something which is extraordinary. That is called Adbhut. So the Leelas, in other words, what are they doing? They are doing just describing Krishna Katha, Hari Katha. And in that process, they are doing it through various different forms. We see Gita Govinda, even now, not so much. But now at least in India, the Ramayana and Ram Leela and Krishna Leela, they are being celebrated in a big way everywhere. Every year, the same thing happens. Almost. But still, people frown. Like Krishna comes every one day of Brahma. Brahma doesn't get bored. He sees Krishna pastimes 365 into 100. He lives for 100 years, 365 days in a year. So that much he sees, that many times he sees Krishna, one Brahma. And then the next Brahma comes, he sees again the same. So you can imagine, if it was some ordinary activity at our material level, then, suppose there's some good movie, and then, you like the movie, and then you go and see it. You can see it 1 time, 2 times. Maybe if it is too good, you like it too much, maybe 5 times, 10 times. Somebody says, I saw it 50 times. Oh, it's okay. But here we are seeing that it's happening every day. Can you see it every day? So all these leelas, when Prabhu compared it to like a circus, the circus goes from town to town. So when they go there, they put up their tents and all the animals and this and that and everything. And then every day they perform. And then people come in the evening. Okay. Now suppose you see the circus in Delhi. And then you go and you are in Jaipur and the same circus is there. So you will go there also, maybe. And then it is in Ahmedabad. then I think after 2 or 3 or 4 years, say, no. Somebody says, I got tickets for circus. So you go. I'm busy. I've seen enough, right? Like yesterday only we were discussing, that some song became very popular on internet, and then there are so many versions of that song. That was about couple of years back. But now, maybe some people will be interested, but not many. But when it comes to the Krishna Leela, the Rama Leela, then everybody is inspired. Nobody says, oh no, we know what's going to happen. Like Jambuan, he used to see it in the Chiranjeevi, so he sees him every time. Treta Yoga, Dwapar Yoga, Treta Yoga, Dwapar Yoga. That keeps continuing. He sees Ram Leela so many times, he sees Krishna. He will keep on seeing. Brahma has to at least go. Jambuan doesn't have to even go. Chiranjeevi. So, this is exactly what Srila Prabhupada says in his purport, that to propagate any religion or any philosophy, we need the help of all this. That's why we see in our society we have this dramas going on and kirtan. Somebody likes kirtan, somebody likes food, somebody likes prasadam, somebody likes dresses, somebody likes deity worship. So everybody gets a chance to glorify. And so the lesson for us here is that if we have some talent, like on the list above, then we should use it for Krishna. Use it for glorifying Krishna. If you are a good web designer, make hundreds of websites for Krishna. Write songs, dramas. If you can play instruments, use it for Krishna. Even if you are intellectual, you can find out more and more, because the literature is so vast. Bhagavatam itself, you can see, so vast. 18,000 shlokas, 300,000 names, 3 lakh names. So many kings are being described, so many devotees, all the avatars, and everything is there. But then, as Srila Prabhupada explains, these Puranas, they are the Smritis. Smritis means the remembrance of the different stages at different times and different places. So it's no chronological order, like, this happened after that. No. Sometimes, like here also we see now. We suddenly started with Mahabharata, and, we did not even talk about it. And Sutta Goswami straightway goes to Ashwatthama, and, goes back and forth. Of course, right now we are trying to establish the birth of Parikshit Maharaj, how he was born and how this Bhagavatam came into being. So, that's the topic. But still, you will find that the same thing is, taken from, say, for example, Bhagavatam also talks about Ramayana and Mahabharata, but not to the extent that it is described in Ramayana and Mahabharata. Because Ramayana, as I said, every day of Brahma is happening in different planets, not only here. Different planets, different universes, different ways. It's like Ramayana played in Indonesia is different than Ramayana played in India. But they also play. Bali you go, there are Ramayana, that they have their different characters. Ravan is like a dragon or something like that. So, somehow or the other, we have to engage in this wonderful activity. That can make our life successful. Okay. So, I'd like to stop here. Okay, there is a question, comment. Srimad Bhagavatam ki Jai. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.